Hey there, Liz Tomey here from LizTomey.com, and I'm back with the Techy Stuff tutorials. Tonight we're talking about automating social media posting, and this is going to be part one because I've started a journey. So for a very long time, I have posted everything to all my social media channels across all of my niches manually and or with the help of some virtual assistants. They do it manually too though, okay? And the reason being is because when you use something like Hootsuite to post for you, it is killing your engagement. I'm now looking at analytics and I'm seeing it that only really happens on Facebook pages, okay? So when you automatically use a tool to post on your Facebook page, it does kill your engagement. But I can't tell if that's from Facebook's algorithm updates or if it's because of the tools. Now, I will tell you that you can't just use any social media posting tool because not all of them have relationships with the social media sites that won't mess with your engagement, okay? Meaning they haven't put the work in to get the right API set up and doing everything according to each social media's terms of service, stuff like that, okay? So you want to stick with the big names. I am currently using Loomly. I've never liked Hootsuite. Lots of people love Hootsuite. It works great. I just don't like it. I don't like the way it works. I started using Loomly, which is trusted, and I've tested it. It does not kill my engagement posting with it. So Loomly is one I would recommend. Okay, they've done all the work. They're in good standings with the social media sites. So if I go over here to Loomly, what I'm going to have to pay them a month is $57 a month. Now they do, I'm going to take you right into my dashboard here. They do work with all the social media channels that I need. Now, YouTube is considered a social media channel, but I never auto post with it because there's no reason for me in my business to do that. I create a video, I post it to my YouTube channel. I use vidIQ just to make sure that I have everything correct. I've optimized everything that you're supposed to optimize for YouTube. So we're not going to be talking about YouTube in this. What I'm talking about and I'm going to go over here. And let's do, no. The ones I use with this are Facebook for my Facebook fan page. All my Facebook groups, I have 6 to 10 of them. And Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. They work with other things too, but that's all I'm currently using. Facebook, my page, my groups, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, okay? Now, a couple of things. I'm not going to be using Instagram and Pinterest with Loomly because it doesn't work perfect, okay? I still cannot find something that works perfectly with all of these things. Now, when I say perfectly, like with Pinterest, it doesn't allow you to put in titles, your description. It kind of messes it up. It messes the link up. It just doesn't post right to Pinterest. Instagram, it doesn't. You still have to manually do it. It'll send you a push notification on your phone, and then you have to go and copy and paste that into Instagram. So I will be going back to Tailwind. Let's see here. So this is my Pinterest account, and then I have my Instagram account. Guys, Tailwind is amazing, but it can be expensive. I'm going to have to pay $15 for my Liz Tomey Instagram account, and I'm also going to have to pay $15 for my Liz Tomey Pinterest account. Now, that's not counting all the other niches that I have set up for Pinterest and Instagram. I have different accounts for each niche that I'm in. So right now, just for my internet marketing and make money online business, I'm going to be paying $57 a month to Loomly because it's totally worth it just for the way it posts to LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook because I have so many Facebook groups. If you don't have like a lot of pages and a lot of groups and stuff like that, then Loomly may not be the thing that you need, okay? But if you want to have something where you can post to all social media channels, Loomly's awesome, okay? It really is. If it wasn't for me being such a stickler about the whole Instagram thing, I don't like that it won't automatically post to Instagram, I would probably use it. And something else that is an issue is if I don't use, trying to get back over to the Instagram here, if I don't use Tailwind, it won't automatically create a link on my bio page. Let me show you what I mean. So let's do Instagram. And let's tell me. So see this smart.bio/listtomi? When I make posts on Instagram, I always tell people to click the link in my bio for access. And the reason being is because each of my links here or each of my images that I post on Instagram generally has a link tied to it. And when I do that, like this one, okay? So this is my latest post. Who else needs more time for the fun stuff? If they click on my bio, they're going to go here, and then they can automatically do this. Boom. There's no link to copy and paste because Instagram doesn't allow you to have clickable links. It's not even that you're not allowed. You're not allowed, but the website doesn't make them clickable. You can't make them clickable. You can't put any HTML or anything like that. You can't make links clickable on Instagram. So that's another thing. Now, this whole, link in bio, or the smart.bio is a free service. So if I just use Loomly and I posted everything and then I went and manually posted into Instagram, then I would have to manually go to my smart bio page and I would have to upload or get the image there and put the link and everything in so that it would appear here. So that to me, it's just a couple of extra steps, but I'm really trying to automate everything. So I want to get it all under one thing. So at this point, I'm going to be using Loomly. Let's get rid of Instagram. Are you sure you wanted to do this? Yes. And I'm going to be getting rid of Pinterest over here. Yes. And maybe is what this will do is it'll give me, maybe some more time need to pay attention to other things like Snapchat and TikTok, which I have zero interest in. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's great. But if I don't have interest in it, I can't participate. It's just me. TikTok, I love to just watch, but I don't want to create TikTok content. And there's a certain kind of content you need to be creating for TikTok. There's a certain kind of content you need to be, creating for Snapchat. I just don't want to do it. I have one niche that we're playing with TikTok, and it does work great, but not enough for me to try and incorporate it into my Loomly strategy here, okay? So, like I said, Loomly for Facebook, and it's totally worth it because of all the Facebook groups I have. Twitter and LinkedIn, okay? So that's going to put me with 1, 2, 3 different things here. And then Tailwind for Pinterest and Instagram. Especially Pinterest is worth it because I get a lot of traffic from Pinterest. So it's totally worth the $15 a month for all of my niches. It's going to cost me a fortune. But right now I can't find anything that works great as an all-in-one solution. I could piece this together with, 4 or 5 different things, but I'm wanting nice, easy, streamlined automation. So that's where I'm at in the journey so far. I just wanted to do a video showing you guys. Number one, because I was testing Loomly the other day and I posted a graphic in all of my Facebook groups and was like, hey, if you can see this, let me know. And it wasn't just me doing it for engagement. I really wanted to see if Loomly was working correctly. I wanted to measure and see if my, if it impacted anything by using Loomly. It didn't at all. So I'm good to go with Loomly, but I wanted to post in my Team Tomi coaching group this video specifically. Everybody's going to get it, but specifically I did this for my Team Tomi people so they could see what I'm working on, why I posted that post. Can you see this? A lot of people do that. They're just doing it for engagement. But I was literally testing stuff. So part 1, like I said, the next time I have some more updates for you guys. If I switch any tools in this or whatever, I'll let you know. But I'm trying to keep this as easy and streamlined as possible. If you guys want me to do a video the next time I do like a social media campaign, because what I'll do is like if I'm promoting a blog post, I'll log into Loomly. I'll create a graphic for all my Facebook groups and my fan page, and then I'll create a Twitter graphic. I'll create a LinkedIn graphic. Then I can come in here and do a post. Then I'll run over to Tailwind, post to Instagram, do a couple pins for it. I can show you guys the whole process and exactly what I do if I get enough people that want me to show them. So how do you get me to show you how I do my whole social media posting thing? Comment on this video on YouTube. Come like it, come comment, let me know if you guys want me to show you how to do that. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Like I said, as I update and change tools or do anything different, I'll let you guys know. Have a great night, guys.